in our book, about 30%, 33% of members claim. And a big portion of them are the same people that claim every year. So I think we're in a running rate of about 30% of the people claiming their two-pot on a yearly basis. And that is upsetting in one way because, you can see that people are struggling, there's debt, struggling to survive and needing that cash. But on the other hand, I'm also relieved because that's one of the reasons why we implemented it. It doesn't help. You can't put food on the table, but you've got a pension fund lying there and you can't access it, or you have to resign or change job to access it. So the whole idea for the two-pot is to have some of the money whilst you struggle and whilst you have. We must remember that the other 2/3 that they can't access is preserved now till retirement. And we're already seeing the effect of that, even though it's in the first year. And that will help the members a lot by the time they get to retirement. So the system is working.